Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, remove the mattress and liners, then set the box on a flat surface so you can inspect it safely. Use the measuring tape to record panel dimensions and seam gaps. This helps pick replacement foam or fabric later. Check for loose screws and torn fabric. Mark each issue with a removable sticker. Once done, sort tools, screwdrivers, wood glue, needle, and heavy thread, and lay out parts in order of how you'll work through them. You now fix the structure and coverings. Start by tightening hardware, replacing strip screws with slightly longer ones when necessary, and glue any split joints. Clamp for 20 to 30 minutes to cure. Next, repair the fabric, trim ragged edges, use a zigzag stitch for stretch areas, and add fabric adhesive for extra hold where stitching can't reach. Finally, cut replacement foam to the recorded dimensions and install a waterproof liner. You finish by reassembling in reverse order. Fit the mattress and liners, ensuring a snug fit with no more than 0.5 to 1 cm gap around edges for safety. Perform a load test by applying even weight up to 10 to 15 kg and observe for creaks or shifting. This validates repairs. Sanitize all surfaces and allow adhesives to fully cure before use. If noise or looseness persists, tighten fasteners and, if necessary, apply epoxy to compromised joints as a trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.